Thank you. Pima County and Tucson City leaders are urging common sense approaches to keeping yourself healthy. 9 on your side's Brennan joins us now. Brian, the city and county are sending out a unified message.
That's right. They say they're making some changes to their sick leave policies, but for the most part, they want people to prepare for this like they would any bad flu season. Confirmed cases are popping up around the country, and now health experts in our area say there is no holding it back.
Because it's going to be here, and it's going to transmit locally, and we need to begin treating it in that way.
Health Department Director Bob England stood with other health officials and members of Pima County and Tucson City government to brief the media.
We got a lot to learn, but there are a lot of good indications for us to treat this the same way that we do influenza.
The city and county are urging people to use common sense health practices to protect themselves and loved ones. Wash your hands frequently, avoid touching your face, and stay home when sick. Officials say local government employees won't be penalized for having to miss work.
We've loosened up our policies for telecommuting. So if one of our employees has a child who is sick with the virus and they need to stay home with their young one, so they don't have to go to school and potentially expose other children, we're going to let that employee work from home if possible.
The city and county says they are preparing to stay operational with a lower available workforce. England says the data right now shows children are less impacted by the coronavirus than adults, and says a county-wide school closure would most likely not be needed.
That's not like the flu. I'm a little surprised by that, but I'll take it because that makes it possible for us to not even give closing schools a second thought.
Officials recommend vulnerable people take some extra precautions, avoiding large gatherings, unnecessary travel, and cruise ships. Reporting live, Brennan, KGUN 9 on your side.